Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The man circling high overhead is a former U.S. National Aerobatic Champion, Red Bull Air Racer, and is one of the world's few aerobatic superstars. He's dedicated almost his entire life to extreme flying. Wittman Aerospace Technologies presents to you from Boston, Massachusetts, Michael Goulian. Michael guides forward shows that vertical propeller powered with a lightweight
Wittman Aerospace Technologies is Goulian's longtime title partner. Wittman Aerospace Technologies, a leader in aviation lighting since 1952, proudly sponsors Michael and Goulian Aerosports at air shows in North America. We also want to thank you, our air show fans who are here today celebrating our freedom, our passion, and our joy of flight. All right, folks, looks like Michael's ready for the second half of the show. Okay, Mikey G, let's get it on!
engine that Michael showed you today comes from his 30 years of intense training in competing in top-level regional, national, and global competitions. In fact, Michael has flown on 3 U.S. World Aerobatic teams and is a past U.S. National Aerobatic champion. Only a few individuals have enjoyed this. Incredible fans like you. Our team is only able to perform at the highest levels of the industry by partnering with very special companies. Wittman Aerospace Technologies and Penn Credit Union support Goulian Aerosports as co-primary partners. These two amazing companies allow Michael and his team to perform at an extensive schedule of air shows from coast to coast each summer. To keep his extra 330 ST running at its peak performance, Michael relies on champion engine components, Lycoming engines, Hartzell propellants, and Bose aviation headsets. Michael also flies from show to show in a Cirrus SR-22, the amazing general aviation plane with a parachute. The Cirrus life allows Michael to be reunited with his family most Sunday evenings following a grueling air show weekend.
Dang. I remember the P8 that did that not too long ago. Yeah. Right on.